Striving to be a model company means that we are working with products that are useful to society, and sustainable living is our commitment to people and planet. Working with products that are creating better living environments with daylight and fresh air means that we are also looking at all the comfort aspects of living in your home. If we're trying to reduce the CO2 emissions on planet Earth, then buildings account for a very big part of the total, 40% to be accurate. And the CO2 level that we have, if we need to reduce it by 20 or 30%, which is the long-term goals that many countries around the world have, well then buildings have to give their part. However, if we only look at energy, then we will end up in a situation where we will make buildings for machines and not for people. So you need to reduce energy consumption in the building while at the same time making sure that you do not even further deteriorate indoor climate. In 2014, we completed our Model Home 2020 project, which is a total of 6 different demonstration buildings across Europe to demonstrate that you can make CO2 neutral buildings with the materials of today as they're probably going to look in 2020. The research that we have been doing alongside with the buildings has been in cooperation with a number of European universities, and we've been looking at different aspects such as life cycle analysis, we've been looking at health issues, we've been looking at socio-psychological aspects, and we've been looking at the total performance of the buildings in a real life setting with real people in the buildings to demonstrate that it can be done. And yes, it can be done. We have made what we would like to call the buildings of tomorrow today, and that's the conclusion of our research. But it's also a very important tool in challenging legislators and politicians to be more ambitious and not only thinking about reducing energy, but looking at CO2 reduction and also at the same time improving the indoor climate, the living conditions for people all over Europe.